Hello and welcome to art class for this week. Okay, so you guys have been talking about states of matter and we are going to talk about water today in our art lesson and the different states of water. So you know that water can be a liquid that we can drink, we can bath in it, we can wash with it. Rivers and streams and the sea can be a place for animals to live, and water can be a solid when it becomes ice, and it can also be a gas, clouds and steam that we see coming out of the kettle. So we've got solid, liquid and gas. So we're going to look today at what happens when water freezes and makes snowflakes. Well, if you live in Uganda, you may not have seen snow unless you've traveled somewhere where there is snow and a very snowy winter. You can actually see the most beautiful ice crystals in snowflakes. So I want you guys to take a very careful look at the photo of a snowflake and the drawings of snowflakes that I've posted in the classroom stream. Then you're going to practice drawing some snowflakes and we're going to make a beautiful crayon resist picture. So I want you to look carefully at the snowflake picture and then you're going to have a go at drawing snowflakes yourself. Okay, now if you have a white crayon, you can use a white. If you don't have a white, then use yellow. I'm going to use a mixture. So this is a little bit tricky because you won't really be able to see. So you kind of got to look at the side, from the side to see where you're drawing. Okay, so I'm making a cross shape like this. Then every snowflake has got another cross shape like this. And then I'm going to add in my snowflake detail. So you're going to look at the drawings of the snowflakes and decide what kind of snowflakes you would like to copy for this. And you're probably going to put about 4 beautiful snowflakes onto your page. Right, I think I'm going to do a yellow one now, and I'm going to do quite a complicated one. So I'm going to go like this. You see how you make the cross and then you put the diagonals in, okay? So there's much more to a snowflake than just this. If you have a look carefully at those pictures, at those photos, you will see what I mean. Some of them are beautifully complicated. So I want you to copy what you see and have a go at doing about 4 snowflakes on your paper with crayon. There we go. Making crystals on this one. And I'm just going to move this aside. And I'm going to do another one. I'm doing my cross shape like this. Oops. Like that. And for this one, I'm going to make something even different, even more different to what I did the time before. And I've got space over here to make another smaller one like this. So I'm crossing over. And I'm making lots and lots of beautiful snowflake designs. So make about 4, but you can make more. In fact, I want to put another one here because I want to fill my space with these and make it look really beautiful. So I've made 2 yellows and a white. Okay, when you've drawn your snowflakes, you're going to take your paint, water, and you're going to wet your brush really well, and you're going to add lots and lots of water. We're going to use cool colors for this, okay? So greens, purples, and blues. And you're going to paint, and as you paint, you will see that the paint and the crayon do not mix. They don't mix at all. So I'm going to take a different color over here and I'm going to make my snowflakes stand out like this. So the more time you spend on your snowflakes, the more beautiful this is going to be. And I'm going to use another cool color for this section. I'm going to use a purple. Oh, right. Look at my snowflakes coming out with this. And for this section, I'm just going to brush on my paint like this. And brush on my paint like this. And I think I'll put a little bit more purple over here. Oh, I've made my colors a bit messy. That's okay. Put a bit of purple like that. Okay, so then I'm going to leave this to dry. And this would actually make a really beautiful gift wrap. You could use this as Christmas wrapping paper if you made large sheets of this. And that's a beautiful way to make winter gift wrap and to learn about the beautiful ice crystals that are found in snowflakes. In the design of a snowflake, we can clearly see the hand of God in creation. Instead of just making a blob, God has designed the tiniest things to have absolute infinite beauty that will reflect His majesty and power over the universe. So snowflakes are a place where we can see the glory of God in creation. Very, very amazing. All right, guys, have fun with your projects, and I can't wait to see what you do.